Hello students, third exercise up to 3 problems completed. Now fourth question. In the adjacent figure, PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR equal to 110 degrees and angle RST equal to 130 degrees. Find angle QRS. See this answer. In question what they given? PQ is parallel to ST. Given that PQ is parallel to ST, PQ is parallel to ST, these two are parallel, and angle PQR equal to 110 degrees and angle RST equal to 130 degrees. Here PQR 110 degrees, RST 130 degrees. We draw a parallel line MN through the RSST. Means here see, draw extra parallel lines. The given diagram. We know that two parallel lines, transversal line, like here angle, here small b take, here small c, here A, B, C. For that here M, N. Here also take 2 points. This is R. Now PQ is parallel to MN. PQ is parallel to MN. These two parallel lines. Like alternate angles, alternate interior. What are alternate interior? Here 110 B. These two alternate interior angles, means this total place A plus B 110. These two alternate interior angles. We know that alternate interior angles are equal, means angle PQR equal to angle QRN. Why? Because here right, alternate interior, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. So now PQR how much? 110 degrees equal QRN means QRN total A plus B. A plus B. This is equation number 1 take. Similarly angle TSR equal to angle SRM. This also alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Now in that angle 130 degrees equal to C plus B, this total place. Like this expand these two parallel lines. This is transversal, like these two alternate interior angles. Means 130 degrees equal to B plus C. B plus C. This is equation number 2. And we know that this total straight angle here A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Understand children? Here A, B, C. This total straight line form now here 180 degrees. Straight line is 180 degrees. Like that A plus here B plus C means 130 degrees. Here B plus C 130. B plus C 130 equal 180 degrees. A equal to 180 minus 130. We'll get A equal to 50 degrees. A equal to 50 degrees. In this A value substitute equation number 1, we'll get B. From equation number 1, 110 equal A plus B. This is equation number 1. Here A value will get 50. 110 equal 50 plus B. B equal to 110 minus 50. Here plus 50 centered side. 110 minus 50 will get 60 degrees. What is B equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, what is B here? Angle QRS equal 60 degrees. Fifth question. In the adjacent figure, here M parallel to N and AB are any 2 points on M and N respectively, let C be an interior point between the lines M and N. Find angle ACB. Given that, what they given? M parallel to N. M parallel to N. Here draw the parallel line passing through C here. This is P and Q. PQ. Here Z, C, outside angle is C. Here X, Y they given. Further, draw the P parallel lines PQ passing through C. In that lines M and N. In that lines M and N. Here M and N lines parallel to. Further, now angle PCB equal to X. PCB. In that alternate interior angles. What is this? Alternate interior angle. So another alternate interior angle, angle PCA equal to Y. This also alternate interior angles. We know that alternate interior angles are equal. And here Z angle, observe, Z equal to PCB plus angle PCA. Here X plus Y. PCB means X plus Y. So what is Z here? ACB. Angle ACB equal to X plus Y. They are asking find angle ACB. So what is ACB? X plus Y. ACB here. This total means here X plus Y. This is answer. Sixth question. Find the values of A and B given that P parallel to Q, P parallel to Q and R parallel to S. They given. Given that answer P parallel to Q and R parallel to S. Here 2A equal to 80 degrees means corresponding angles. One exterior, one interior means corresponding angles are equal. 2A equal to 80. So what are, which type of angles that? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. A equal to 80 by 2 equal to 40 degrees. This is A value. Therefore A equal to 40 degrees. And here 80B, observe which type of angles? Co-interior. Co-interior means, what is the formula of co-interior angles? Co-interior angles sum equal to 180 degrees. Sum equal to 180 degrees means 80 plus B equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because that co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles sum equal to 180 degrees. Now B equal to 180 minus 80. B equal to 100. So therefore A equal to 40 degrees. B equal to 100 degrees. This is answer. Seventh question. If in the figure they given A parallel to B, C parallel to D and name the angles are congruent angle 1 and angle 2. See this diagram. They given in these two parallel lines A and B, AB parallel lines, these two CD transversal lines. For that, what are opposite angles? Here 1 opposite 3, 2 opposite 4 means vertically opposite angles, angle 1, angle 3, angle 2, angle 4, like angle 5, angle 7, angle 6, angle 8, like that. Here angle 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14, 16. These two vertically opposite angles. For that, corresponding angles and alternate angles. See here alternate. One interior, both are interior angles. What are alternate interior? 3, 5, 4, 6. Alternate interior angles. Angle 3, angle 5, angle 4, angle 6. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 2, angle 8, angle 1, angle 7. Again in this one, see here Now here alternate interior 11, 13, 12, 14 alternate interior. Next alternate exterior 10, 16, 9, 15 alternate exterior. Corresponding angles. In this observe corresponding angles 2, 6, 3, 7, 1, 5, 4, 8 corresponding angles. Here 10, 14, 11, 15, 9, 13, 12, 16 these are corresponding angles. Co-interior 3, 6, 4, 5 co-interior. 11, 14, 12, 13 co-interior. Co-exterior 2, 7, 2, 8 what? Alternate exterior. Co-interior next co-exterior 2, 7, 1, 8 co-exterior angles 1, 8, 2, 7. Here 9, 16, 10, 15. Here angle 1, angle 3 vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And next what are like that? Angle 1, angle 5. We know that opposite angles are equal. Like that angle 1 equal to angle 9. Angle 7 equal to angle 15. Next angle 3 equal to angle 7. Next angle 11 equal to angle 13. Angle 11 equal to angle 15. And next angle 9 equal to angle 13. So what are these are angles? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. Next, we know that corresponding angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate means alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. And this is the angles that are congruent to angle 1. Congruent to angle 1. So what are? Thus angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 5 equal to angle 7 equal to. So in question they asking what are congruent of angle 1? First question, what are congruent of angle 1? So what are congruent? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and angle 11, angle 13, angle 15. These are congruent of angle 1. Next, and second, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Means what are congruent of angle 2? They are asking another one. So for that, these two, 2, 4, which type of angles? Opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. In that, like that, what are vertical opposite angles? Angle 4, angle 6. These two which type of angles? Alternate interior. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next, angle 6, angle 8. Opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Like that. Next one, angle 8, angle 10. So based on angle 2, angle 8, angle 10, which type of angles? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Next, angle 10 equal to angle 12. So vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, angle 10, angle 12, vertically opposite angles. Next one, angle 12, angle 14. This is alternate interior angles. Next, angle 14, angle 16. These are opposite angles. These are alternate interior. Alternate interior angles. Next, this one, opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, the angles that are congruent of the angles that are congruent of angle 2 equal. So what are congruent? Angle 4, angle 6 means equal to keep angle 4, angle 6, angle 8, angle 10, angle 12, angle 14 here, next angle 16. These are congruent of angle 2.